I'm going to be building a fully custom keyboard in 10 minutes, 1 hour, and 10 hours. Then at the end, we'll compare them and see the difference. This video is sponsored by Mellatrix and their Zoom 65, which you can check out down below. Are we ready for the 10-minute build? Now! Screw the guide. Gotta take everything out really quickly. First, I need stabilizers. Got them. I'm just gonna pop them in, and then maybe I'll even have time to screw them. Maybe not. Yeah, I've already spent 2 minutes. What am I doing? Yep, it's not worth it. I've got a space bar. That's good enough. I got the PCB. Why are there so many holes? Just gonna go. Everything about this is going wrong. Put that in. It needs a plate. Haha. Okay, I can't put it in the case yet. The switches are going in now. I'm just gonna do the corners first, and then alphas only, and then maybe if we're lucky we'll get keycaps. I've got 4 minutes. Are you getting stressed out just watching me?
Oh yeah.
1 minute 50 seconds.
Just start going to keycaps.
I know. I'm almost there. Today I have special keycaps made by Wuque Studios. But we'll talk about that later because I need to cram them on, and they're not even in order. What is this mess? 49 seconds? This is all wrong. What can...
5,
No.
4,
Stop!
2, 1.
Done. Yeah! I did it. Zoom 65 created in 10 minutes. It looks good. I just have to hold the case together. For some reason, it doesn't stay together. Okay, I'll admit, the 10-minute keyboard did not turn out the way I expected. I was hoping to at least put all the keycaps and switches in, with only one stabilizer. No gaskets, no knob, no foam, no backplate, and an unscrewed case. It's fair to say this is a little scuffed. While the 10-minute version sounds a little the keyboard will sound when fully built with more time. So I hope for the 1 hour version. I'm ready for the 1 hour edition. Got the timer right here in 3, 2, 1. Unzip. The game plan this time is I was shaking a little bit too much because of the intense pressure. But if you go slow and take your time, it'll turn out a lot better. I'll put them all in, clip them together, and then screw them in. And we'll worry about lube and whatever these are and these are. Got a little helper today. I don't know if he's a helper or a troublemaker. I've never done a keyboard build without doing something to the stabilizers, so this will be a learning experience for all of us. Basically, it's taken about 10 minutes to install stabilizers, which in the first time I only had 10 minutes. I can't believe I even tried to do stabilizers. Hello there, Future Betty here after doing the 10-hour build. P.S. This keyboard turned out amazing. I'd like to tell you a little bit about this keyboard. The Zoom 65 Essential Edition is a powerhouse of a keyboard that's easily accessible to both beginners and advanced keyboard hobbyists alike. You can customize a keyboard with your choice from an immense color selection of cases, knobs, and backplates. The keyboard comes fully decked out with wireless connectivity, foam, VIA compatibility, gasket mount, and so much more. Simply visit their website to see all of the different options available and order from one of their many trusted vendors. The link is listed down below. Back to you, Past Betty. Stabilizers complete. And then put this foamy thing. This build comes with a lot of foam. You actually do it like this. Smash it through each hole. Got 40 minutes. That's plenty of time. Make sure things are aligned properly. And that looks a lot better. Augie, stop! Oh, little bad boy. Are you here to help? Or are you here to sabotage us? In 20 minutes, I am ready to install switches faster than the timeline that I put upon this project. The switches that I've picked today for this build are the Novel Keys Cream Dreams. Do I know what that is? No. They sound cool. Thank you to Novel Keys for sending them out. I love creams. I don't know what the cream dreams are, but I expect them to be a more creamier, dreamier version of creams. Now you just put stuff in. We are ahead of schedule. It's been 26 minutes. I've got pretty much all the switches in. Things are going good. Take out the rubber feet. My weight is black. I think I'll go with the black feet. There are exactly 30 minutes left. I'm ahead of the game. The part that worries most is gaskets. I'm going to put in the weight now. I'm gonna tear off foam. Very nice, very nice. Okay, this is where things get interesting. We're gonna go straight to keycaps. Okay, I've got GMK, which looks pretty. Blue and green, weird, maybe. I think it's cool. I don't even get a chance to test if it's working or not. Boom, 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. I can still check whether it's working or not. Okay, looks like everything. There's 1 minute and 43 seconds left. And I believe I am done. Everything works. I clean up my mess a little bit and it looks beautiful, other than this. Alright, after 1 hour, it's looking and sounding a lot better than the 10-minute version. At least it's, you know, done. We have the knob in place, all the switches, stabilizer, keycaps, gaskets, the backplate, and all the foam. This is honestly not bad, and a lot better than I expected. The biggest downside to the 1 hour keyboard is the lack of modded stabs and lube switches, which really hurts how it sounds and feels. But with the 10-hour keyboard, you will be shocked by the sound. Time is 11:44. Got 10 hours to do this. It's a lot of time. That's pretty much all day. Look at Indy sleeping over there. Quite cute. I'm gonna take it apart and then I'm going to tackle the #1 problem of the 1 hour version, and that is the stabilizers, because it sounded really, really bad. First things first, I've already got a problem, and that is that this thing is sticky. I'm gonna use these, and I'm gonna use these, the most time consuming yet awesome thing of them all. Teflon strips for holy mod. A lot of stabilizers, wow. Lubing, fun. Really, really fun, yet a crucial step. Done. That was easy. Now time for the hard part. The Teflon strips. Sharp tweezers, and I'm just gonna put them in. I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna start. I haven't done this mod in a really, really, really long time. These stabilizers aren't see-through, and I'm old and my eyesight sucks. Alright, time right now is 12 p.m. I'll get back to you when I'm done with this. It's gonna take a long time. Blacks. Lubing switches takes forever. Sometimes I'm not sure if I like it. And this is a hot take, but I really don't think you need to lube your switches. But people say you should, so I will. It's lubing time. It's a lot of switches to go through. The time is 12:38 p.m. and this is gonna take like a couple hours. So wish me luck. It is now 2:40. I am finally done lubing all these switches, and I gotta say it was absolute torture, but I'm glad it's over. I can finally begin putting the keyboard together. Finally. It is now 3 p.m. It's only been 3 hours? There's no way. Okay, it's done. Make sure it's perfectly aligned. That's better. The knob, stick it on. Keycaps I will be going with today are my Modern Dolch 2s. Beautiful. Alright, everything is working. It is now 3:06 p.m. and I am officially done. It is beautiful and it sounds amazing. Now that the 10 hours is over, it's time for the final reveal. I gotta say, this is the best sounding keyboard I've ever built. Thank you so much to Mellatrix for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out the Zoom 65 Essential Edition down below. It includes the stabs, and all you need to get started is switches and keycaps, and maybe some lube, if you want